What's up everyone? So today I'm going to continue the third part of my story. After placing a booking for the Titiwangsa property, I went to look for a loan. I asked the lawyer, who would you recommend? They recommend me two bankers. 10 years ago when I was applying for a loan, and now it doesn't change much at all. It shows that how the banking industry doesn't change over the years. You still need to print a few copies of your documents and then meet a few bankers. If you are applying for a few banks, just meet a few bankers, or the bankers come meet you somewhere and then sign an application form. These are all the normal procedures. Until now it's still the same. However, now past few years you see digitization process going on, a lot of automation and digitization, which is very good and making it convenient for the people to actually submit the loans. And then COVID-19 has accelerated this process, making it faster and more convenient. Okay, but that's a banking experience story for another day. After contacting them and they reviewed my documents, I was very confident that I'm going to get, So at that time, I think I'll be earning about 6,000 a month on average, because I'm doing sales, right? So my commission comes like 3 months once. It's not every month, 3 months once. And at that age, 25 years old, and then earning that much, I was like, I'm the king of the world, I'm the king of the world. So I thought I will definitely pass. The loan is only 400,000, 300,000, and the installment is only 1,000, 1,700, 1,800. I don't have much commitment. But the fact is, one no news, one told me need joint applicant. So how? I still want to buy. I didn't know that the bank actually count the commission differently from my base pay. So I didn't know all that. Even some allowance that I get is also not taken into account. And then that's how I start thinking where to get a joint applicant, and my dad actually helped me with the loan. So joint applicant, me and my dad, and then only I get to buy my first investment property. So if you talk about property investing partner, JV partner, I have only my dad to thank. He is my JV partner from since day one till now. You will see it later. So Dad, if you are watching this, thank you so much for trusting this son here to be responsible in handling his finances and also the property. So I got the loan and got the keys after my dad came in. And that actually also taught me that not every bank actually finance the property that's halfway under construction. They need to have a certain percentage, then only they will finance. So from that point when signing and when I got the key, I think it's about another 6 months down the road. 6 months down the road, so mid 2011, then I get my keys. 2011, I think. But so that's the story for today, financing. The next part, I'm going to go through my experience of owning this property for past 10 years. The ups and downs, the income, and what you can expect, so that hopefully whatever I shared will be useful to you. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. See you. Bye-bye.